Today's pronunciation lesson is contrasting the sounds s and sh. First, I will use each sound in a word. Then, I will put the words into a sentence so that you can hear them together with contextual clues. Please listen closely to the differences in the sounds. First, the s sound in the word seat. 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 Now the sh sound in the word sheet. 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 Now I'll use them both in a sentence. Put a sheet on the seat. Put a sheet on the seat. Put a sheet on the seat. Thank you for watching CartoonEnglish.tv's pronunciation lesson. Come visit our website for free lessons, games, and chat. Bye!